Hey there. So it's day 17. I think yesterday I actually said it was day 15 and it was day 16. So already I'm losing track of days. But it's pretty windy out there. I don't know. Let's see if you can see the flag flying. It's pretty and it gets some serious gusts going. So got little Choco bear just kind of hanging out, and we have some work being done on the boat. Probably saw that guy, just seemed like he came up out of the boat, but he's in what's called the lazarette and doing some work on the battery bank. So we have I think I don't know how much battery power we have, but we have two huge batteries and then one smaller battery that's specifically for the engine only. So 400, something like that, DCs or something, and how many amp hours and all that good stuff it gets, I have no idea, so I'll have to ask my hubby about all of that stuff. But basically that's what we run off of when we go offshore and we're not connected into shore power. So it has to be built into code into the boat. So that's what we're having the yard do work on, just to build what's going to hold the batteries. So we got somebody working on that today, but it's starting to feel a little more homey. I'll show you today. I had to go to Bed Bath & Beyond and get a couple of things, but one of the things I absolutely had to get was one of these pads. So it's got rubber on the bottom so it doesn't slip, but basically we had some heavy rains last night, and because we don't have our Dodger and Bimini, well, we have a Bimini up, but it's old and it leaks. So anyway, because we don't have all that yet, we have water that can come down into the companionway, which is what this is called, with the steps going down. And then Jim, my husband, twice has slipped on right underneath the companionway. So I went and I got one of those pads just for the kitchen, but it's got rubber on the bottom, so it won't hold the moisture in between the pad and the flooring, and which is good. You don't want any of that sort of stuff, anything to hold moisture against, especially against wood. So and then I'm just doing a little bit of work sitting here, desk or laptop lifestyle. So I'm just doing a little bit of work, and that's about it. We're just dealing with it's sunny, but super, super windy today. So I think I'll probably have to get some laundry done soon and do a little more cleaning. There's always cleaning to do. But it's starting to feel a little more homey. So, and Choco, the dog, is getting a lot more used to things. So it's good. So that's a day 17 update for you. We'll talk at you soon. Bye.